What's doing? Welcome to another episode. This one's just a quick one. I've had a question on what an N80 sounds like with a 3-inch exhaust and a muffler. Well, mine has that, so let's have a look. Yep, this is my car, has a 3-inch exhaust with a muffler. The reason I have a muffler, which you can see in here, in there. Yeah, the reason I have a muffler is we do a fair bit of driving. I had a straight through, it was quite loud. I had a resonator, it was pretty good until we got to that 110k on the highway towing, and it got a little bit drony. So there are videos of those online I've got ready for you so you can see those. This one has a muffler, so let's start up, let it idle, have a listen. I'll give it a rev so you can hear, and I might even go for a drive so you can hear the in-cab noise as well. Starting it up now. Right, so that's running there. Nice and quiet. Probably get more background noise from the guys next door than anything. Can't hear anything. We'll get one of the boys to give it a rev. Well, I found a Josh. He's going to give me some rev. So what we're going to do is probably have a bit of like a halfway rev up, a bit of a loud rev up, and then we'll go full noise rev up.
Limited stuff.
I don't. Do I have that? I don't know. Yeah. All right, just give it a bit of a rev, just so we can hear noises. Thanks, sir. Right. Yeah. So as you can see, it's quite quiet. So we'll go for a drive. With the in-cabin noise so you can hear, and it's still got a little bit of a note there, but it's definitely quieter than straight through the resonator. And so for the kilometers I'm doing, that's what I wanted to have. So we'll go for a drive. All right, so turn my radio down. All right, so I'm just coming out of my workshop just to do a general drive and accelerate here. As you can see, there's general road noise, really nothing too exciting. And then as I go around the bend here, I'll give you a full noise. So yeah, it's nice and quiet. When towing, it sounds about the same. You can't really hear it. We drove to Melbourne and back just recently, and the boys in the back didn't complain at all. Just sound like a normal Hilux. So if you're interested in a 3-inch with muffler, let me know. We have them in stock. I can get the mufflers in pretty quickly, but I have the full exhaust systems in stock. So head over to our website, procheckautomotive.com.au, head to the shop for exhaust, you'll see them there. Muffler, resonator, straight through, they're all online. Let us know. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and let me know if you want to see any more different exhausters. You see if you want to see any more exhaust noises. I'll do some recording for you. Cheers, guys.